Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Nissan Versa. First, gather all necessary tools and the correct type of new coolant. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and safely supported before you begin any work. Locate the radiator drain plug and prepare a suitable container to collect the old fluid. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Once your vehicle is secure, carefully open the radiator drain plug. Make sure your collection pan is positioned correctly to catch all the old coolant. Allow the system to drain completely, which might take several minutes. After all the fluid has drained, securely close the drain plug to prevent any leaks during the next steps. Now, flush the system with distilled water to remove any remaining old coolant or debris. Once flushed, refill the radiator and reservoir with the manufacturer-recommended new coolant. Start the engine with the heater on high and allow it to reach operating temperature. This helps to bleed any trapped air from the cooling system, ensuring proper circulation. After the engine has cooled, check the coolant level and top it off if necessary. Inspect all hoses and connections for any signs of leaks. It is important to monitor your coolant levels over the next few days to ensure the system remains full. Remember to dispose of the old coolant responsibly at an approved facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.